Hello darlings, for today's video, I'm creating a glittery festival look using all affordable products. To start, I'm filling in my brows with the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder in dark brown, which includes a pan of wax, and I'm brushing through my brows to keep them fluffed up and in place. Next, I'm defining the lower edge of my brow and carving it out with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in Pale, and also dragging that onto my lid to act as my base. For eyeshadow, I'm using the NYX Off Tropic palette in Hasta La Vista and picking up the magenta, which is the first shade on the second row. I'm using this shade to create a dramatic wing by first mapping out the shape I'm going for and then filling in the center. Now I'm going to be layering glitter on top of the eyeshadow that I applied. To adhere the glitter, I'm using the House of Lashes Adhesive in Clear, which I find to be the best method for keeping glitter in place, and it's also a lot easier to remove at the end of the day. I'm applying the glitter by tapping it on, working my way from the outer edge to the center. To do this, I'm using a brush from Amazon as to not ruin any of my nicer brushes. Once I've packed on a dense layer of glitter, I'm moving on to lashes. For mascara, I'm using the City Color False Lashes Mascara, and then to help my real lashes blend in with my false ones, I'm tightlining with the Profusion Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil in Onyx. Next, I'm popping on some false lashes from visofree on Aliexpress in the style A06, and now we're moving on to face makeup. First, I'm priming with the City Color Primer Oil, which helps to moisturize, and then I'm tapping on some of their classic primer to fill in my pores. For foundation, I'm using the Loreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in 201 and blending that in with the Real Technique sponge. Since the foundation seems to oxidize a little, I'm using my concealer to highlight areas of my face that I'd like to appear lighter and brighter. To do this, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in Pale, and because it dries so fast, I'm applying it to one spot at a time and blending it in before moving on to the next. Now to set my face, I'm using the beige highlight shade from the Profusion Sculpt and Glow palette, and first setting my under eyes with the Sigma E50 brush, and then using the F20 brush to set the rest of my face. I'm then using the medium sculpt shade from the Profusion palette to contour in the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, and my forehead. As a simple guide, you can see that the areas I'm contouring mimic the shape of the number 3 at this angle. For blush and highlight, I'm using the NYX Paradise Fluff Ombre Highlighter. I'm applying the blush with the Sigma F10 brush, and then before picking up the highlighter, I'm spraying the Sigma F35 brush with some Pixi Rose Glow Mist. To intensify my highlight even more, I'm adding some of the Mercury III Snowflake Dust, which is a loose pigment. Next, I'm setting my makeup in place and adding an all-over glow with the Pixi Rose Glow Mist, and now it's time to finish off my eyes. For my lower lash line, I'm mixing the magenta and purple shades from the Off Tropic palette and blending that out with a clean Sigma E39 brush. I'm now filling in my waterline with the Ultra Fine Eyeliner in purple by Emori on Amazon, and then adding some chunky glitter to the inner half of my lower lash line. Next, I'm popping on some mascara to my lower lashes and applying the NYX Glitter Goals Lipstick in Reflector, which is a matte liquid lipstick that glides on metallic and switches to a stunning glitter finish. All you have to do is apply a light layer, let it dry, and then smack your lips together to activate the glitter effect. You could totally stop here with this glitter popping look, but of course I'm going to add a few more things to make it extra for festival season. For the finishing touches, I'm adding some face jewels and covering myself in the same chunky glitter that I used on my eyes and hair. And that completes this festival look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know which festivals you're going to this year in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!